Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos.
Monitoring of social media. So the trouble mongers aspect has social media provocative posts as one of the most important reasons. So social media posts better to have a proper cyber patrolling team who keeps on sifting the local social media groups and platforms. This helps in monitoring law and order as well as potential communal troubles. So, if you see, say for example, the last Bakrid which was celebrated, uh, one particular social media group or page, they featured one post wherein a head of a cattle was shown, a slaughtered head of a cattle was shown. There was no reference to it when it comes to place or time, just an image of a cut cattle head. This created or triggered a trouble, and ripples were seen in the other community. How can this happen? Why did the police didn't take action on this and that? But the cyber patrolling team immediately picked this up and brought it to the notice of the local police formation. And once the person who posted the image was picked up, he comes out with that with a very flimsy explanation. He just downloaded it from Google. It's freely available. He just downloaded and posted, just as a precaution. The other community might do this. So we immediately made a video of him explaining the same and posted in the same groups and from his own handles, and this immediately quenches the ripple it creates. And quelling of rumors, as much as sifting the social media pages, having a proper anti-propaganda team is also important. So the rights have to be identified from the wrongs, and it has to be explained to the public at large, so that this does not create further trouble.